Hello, we are Alaska Northstar Resources and Spectro Cloud, partnering to solve Kubernetes management for your mission. Managing Kubernetes clusters is a challenge. There's cluster lifecycle management, large clusters spanning multiple accounts, or even multiple cloud service providers. As your mission grows, scaling introduces more challenges, such as consistently automating new cluster configuration, operating clusters with hundreds or even thousands of nodes, and organizing workloads that span multiple clusters. Securing your clusters and environments to comply with DoD and federal regulations is also challenging. Compliance with FIPS, FedRAMP, and the DoD Cloud Computing SRG require effort, all of which need to be accounted for to achieve or sustain your ATO. And as your mission grows, so does your cybersecurity footprint. That's where our solution can help. Spectro's Palette Vertex is a full management solution for Kubernetes, tailored for government use. Its multi-cluster, multi-environment architecture allows Vertex near infinite scaling. It's optimized for air-gapped and heavily regulated environments across multiple cloud service providers. Vertex can deploy Kubernetes clusters using full-stack declarative orchestration with both containers and virtual machines.
We're going to do a brief walkthrough of the Spectro Cloud Palette Vertex interface. From the upper left-hand corner, you can choose a project which demonstrates soft multi-tenancy, where clusters live. Here we have a cluster that's deployed within AWS Gov region, leveraging our flavor of here upstream, Kubernetes recompiled for FIPS 140 TAC 2 compliance. The way these clusters are built are in a declarative full-stack manner, which define all the layers of a cluster profile. Within the cluster profile, you define the version and image that you want to leverage for the operating system. In this case, is the FIPS and hardened version of Ubuntu. We're leveraging our flavor of Kubernetes, which is 128, and a CNI, which is FIPS validated, and we're using Elastic Block Storage from Amazon. We leverage these cluster profiles to make applications deploy the exact same way, independent of infrastructure. By splitting the infrastructure layers from add-on layers, we can very simply grab an additional add-on profile. Here's an example of the Big Bang chart that's pulled from a secure repository at ironbank.mil. It brings with it all the values files that you can adjust for specific environments. We also have the ability to pull out specific things like IP addresses, domain names, image poll secrets into profile variables. We can review and save. It's going to validate that we're going to add an additional chart. It's going to apply this additional chart to the cluster. We're going to see the running cluster, and now we see that we need to put in a new domain that is one of our cluster profiles. This will allows us to very rapidly upclassify these environments. And now it's going to review the changes and allow us to apply it. And it's going to leverage the CRDs within Kubernetes.
For more information about Vertex, use these links to access guided demos and product tours. ANR is a certified 8A small business that's been working with defense and civilian agencies since 2019, including the Air Force, Army, Defense Health Agency, USDA, and FEMA. ANR's core capabilities include enterprise cloud services, DevSecOps engineering, cybersecurity, including ANA, and cloud financial cost control management. Together, we offer a comprehensive solution to install, secure, and operate a state-of-the-art Kubernetes management platform to meet your challenges and add value to your mission. Why choose us? Vertex has been used by several DoD branches, including the Air Force, Army, and Navy, to reduce operational costs by up to 90%, reduce total cost of ownership by 50%, and reduce risk of configuration drift. How is Palette Vertex different? Our cluster profiles allow efficient and flexible declarative definition of the full cluster stack. Manage or deploy your clusters from a single pane of glass rather than deploying solutions in every operating location. Our workflows can deploy your edge clusters consistency with low to zero touch deployments at scale. ANR and Spectro offer competitive pricing terms. As a service provider, ANR has flexible, customized pricing options, including time and materials, firm fixed price, or hybrid. Palette Vertex pricing is based on a consumption model. Clusters managed by Vertex are charged by annual kilocore hours, and bare metal or edge nodes are charged per node. We are ANR and Spectro Cloud,